The South African Gold Krugerrand remains one of the most important bullion coins of the last 50 years. Struck by the South African Mint, the 1-ounce gold Krugerrand is considered the first modern gold coin for the everyday buyer. The South African Gold Krugerrand bears no denomination. The 1-ounce gold coin is marked only with its weight in gold, yet it is so well known that it is easily recognized around the world. Composed by Otto Schultz, the obverse of the coin bears a portrait of Paul Kruger, the former South African president and war figure, while the reverse brings to life a galloping springbok, South Africa's national animal. So important is the South African Gold Krugerrand that the modern history of gold cannot be told without it. It is considered the original modern bullion coin, first issued by the South African Mint in 1967 and accounting for 90% of the global gold coin market by 1980. As a tangible form of wealth recognized around the world, the South African Gold Krugerrand offers an exceptional level of financial liquidity and portability. In a world of changing financial markets, the South African Gold Krugerrand represents a degree of consistency. The year of issue is varied. Denomination is not applicable. Condition: brilliant uncirculated. Metal content: 1 troy ounce, 0.916722 karat gold. Mint mark not shown, but South African Mint. Diameter: 32.77 mm. Thickness: 2.84 mm. Obverse designer: Otto Schultz. Reverse designer: Coert Steinberg.